a company that is empowering science since 1948. A company that represents the leading companies of the world in analytical, laboratory and scientific instruments. A company committed to deliver exceptional customer service. Toshvin. Toshvin is among India's foremost companies in the field of high technology, analytical and laboratory instruments. Established in 1948, Toshvin is committed to empowering science. By bringing the latest technologies, solutions and services to scientists and science-based industries, institutes and universities across India. Headquartered in Mumbai, Toshvin has a network of 14 regional offices, 24 service sites, and a team of close to 350 highly trained and committed professionals. Recognized for its world-class range of products and commitment to excellence in customer service, Toshvin is built on its core values of science, empathy, expertise, growth and integrity. Toshvin has partnered with leading international companies including Shimadzu Corporation, Japan. Shimadzu is one of the world's foremost instrumentation companies with a turnover of $3.5 billion. Toshvin has been representing Shimadzu since 1970 for their wide range of analytical instruments including mass spectrometry systems, chromatography instruments, spectroscopy instruments, material characterization systems, informatics software and solutions. Toshvin's other partners include Prechem China for microwave digestion and automated sample prep systems, Oxford Instruments UK for high-resolution benchtop NMR spectrometers, Mehmet, Germany for laboratory appliances including ovens, incubators, climatic chambers and water baths, Restech USA for GC and HPLC columns, chromatography consumables, accessories and reference standards, SpecAc UK for molecular spectroscopy accessories including ATRs and sample preparation systems. Toshvin Service is a program designed to provide the highest level of customer service through an extensive range of market-leading services including comprehensive application support provided through our team of dedicated application specialists, and Shimadzu's customer support centers in Mumbai and Delhi, equipped with the latest range of Shimadzu analytical instruments. The customer support centers provide pre- and post-sale support, including instrument demonstrations, sample analysis, hands-on and classroom training, and method development support. Software and informatics support provided through our team of informatics specialists to ensure optimum instrument usage and regulatory compliance. Fast and efficient support through our highly trained and experienced service team located in our 24 service locations nationwide. Regulatory support services for customers facing audits from regulatory agencies such as US FDA, MHRA, TGA, ANVISA, NABL, etc. On-site customer training seminars to ensure optimum usage and maintenance of instruments. Large inventory of spares, consumables, standards and accessories maintained at our centralized logistics center to ensure minimum downtime and maximum instrument productivity. Today, Toshvin has over 8,500 satisfied customers and over 15,000 operational instruments installed across India, catering to industries like pharmaceuticals, chemicals and specialty chemicals, universities, research institutes, private and commercial testing laboratories, food, flavors and fragrance, petrochemicals. Toshvin's culture is built on a foundation of customer service. The company's only continuing resolution is to deliver a superior customer experience in all respects to its 8,500 plus strong customer base. Toshvin, Empowering science since 1948.